In our program school, let's learn how to say family word in German. And let's learn with your virtual friend Annie. Mother, Mutter. Vater, Vater. Daughter, Tochter. Son, Sohn. Grandmother, Oma. Grandfather, Opa. Wife, Ehefrau. Husband, Ehemann. Uncle, Onkel. Sister, Schwester. Brother, Bruder. Aunt, Tante. Cousin, male, Cousine. Cousin, female, Cousine. Let's revise it. Mother, Mutter. Father, Vater. Daughter, Tochter. Son, Sohn. Grandfather, Opa. Grandmother, Oma. Brother, Bruder. Sister, Schwester. Wife, Ehefrau. Husband, Ehemann. Aunt, Tante. Uncle, Onkel. Cousin, male, Cousine. Cousin, female, Cousine. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please like and subscribe. Bye!